My name is Bortniak. I'm the therapist at Vita Nova, and we were awarded an amazing opportunity through BeWellPBC to put one of their mini grants to action at our agency. Throughout the year, having a series of workshops for our youth where they could learn more about expressive arts and how to use the expressive arts to, express themselves. Really wanted to have a program that could help youth with mental health, but not in the traditional way of talk therapy, having to sit in a room and just spill their feelings that might turn some youth off. So I wanted to have a fun, engaging way. Photoshop workshop turned out a little bit different than I thought it might be, but I think it was still a great opportunity for youth to connect with others, connect with each other, have some fun that they might not normally get to have, learn a little something more about something different. So they learned some different techniques about posing for photos and what to look for when taking a photo of someone else, and the importance of getting that person's personality in that photo, and some tips and techniques on how to help bring that out. Had a Zoom workshop where we learned about how art can be used as social commentary, and especially given the climate of the world right now. At Vita Nova, I know we're focused a lot on education and job placement and schooling, and also helping prepare them to be financially successful in the future. But we're also looking at their mental health, and so this was just another element to add on to helping them be healthy all around, not just financially and physically healthy, but also mentally healthy.